Tired of waiting for your credit score to slowly creep up? What if I told you there's a financial tool probably hiding out at your local credit union that could give your mortgage chances a serious boost in about a year? A lot of people think they need ages to fix their credit before they can even think about a mortgage. That's not always the case. So, what is this tool? It's called a pledge loan, or sometimes a share secured loan. It's a really smart way to build up your credit, especially if your credit file is a little thin or has seen better days. Here's how it works. You put your own money into a savings account, and then the credit union lends that same amount back to you. Since your own savings are securing the loan, the credit union has very little risk. Because of that, your odds of approval are much higher than with a typical loan. While they might still do a quick review, it's often not the deep dive credit check you might be dreading. Now for the game plan. Over the next 12 months, you just make your small, regular payments on that loan. Every time you pay on schedule, it gets reported to the major credit bureaus. This builds a positive payment history, which is the single biggest ingredient in your credit score. Of course, other things matter too, like how much debt you're carrying and the age of your accounts. Think of this loan as a great foundation. While you're making these payments, you'll also want to focus on paying down other debts and saving for your down payment. After a year of this, you'll have a solid track record of on-time payments, which can show mortgage lenders you're a reliable borrower. And the best part? At the end of the loan, you get your original deposit back, and it might have even earned a little interest. So, by the end of the year, you've built a stronger credit history and taken a proactive step toward your home ownership goal instead of just waiting around. This isn't a magic wand, and becoming mortgage ready involves more than just one thing, but you've taken control and proven you can handle payments responsibly. Ready to give it a shot? Your first move is to check out a local credit union. Just walk in and ask them about their pledge loan or share secured loan options. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on reaching your homeownership goals.